Welcome back to Bill Country, everybody. And as you can see, it's after July 1st, so I'm either homeless or I'm at a swimming pool. I'm actually in my new home. I bought an RV, traveling around. I'm gonna live in that for the year. Here we go, everybody. This is my brand new house. I got me a 28-foot C-Class Vanguard. This baby's all mine. Whew, so this is day whatever in my new RV lifestyle. I broke the awning putting it out. The screws came right out of the attached to the trailer or the RV or whatever. It's not an RV. I'm not a trailer. Anyways, got too much sleep. Had 3 naps yesterday, so that's probably my problem. Anyways, I'm gonna go fix that. I'm doing some laundry today. This is just a quick update video. Not that anyone's even gonna watch. I'm hoping to make it up to Burnaby for Friday. That's my goal. So I gotta clean, vacuum. I'm doing laundry today. I gotta fix the outside. I'm gonna update the lights and stuff there, but not this week. It's about 92 degrees outside right now. Anyways, let's go put this awning on. I'll show you a trick that I learned from my old dad. As you can see, I dropped the... Now I gotta find the screws because they were there. But I stuck some wood into the holes and then I'm just gonna screw the screws back into it. If I can find them now. Look under there somewhere. All right, let's do this. After about 20 minutes or so searching for them, I finally found them. Pa-pa-pow! So I'm gonna put these in here. Like I say, I added just a little bit of wood to hook this bad boy back up. Let's get that done today. Got the old socket set out. Just gotta find the match. And then we should be on the way. Well, I hope. Did I mention it's like 95 degrees out? Oh, and look. These are the coolest little latches here. I don't have to worry about it. That's right. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna take it off. Anyways, let's go put this together. I really fucked it. That did not work out. All right, well, we're gonna get some more wood in there. I'm not giving up. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick these twigs, I don't know where the camera is, these twigs into the holes as far as I can go. Okay, and then we're gonna see if these will go in. Did I mention it's 95 degrees out here? All right, now we go like this, lift this up. There you go, Bob's your uncle. Whew, I thought that'd be harder than it was. Kind of really enjoy this RV lifestyle though. Just gonna do a quick video, but as always, thanks for stopping by. I gotta go do laundry. I'm sure you don't want to watch that. I did dishes. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean up I got to fold laundry later. I'm not going to show you that. Anyways, we'll do a tour tomorrow of this joint. Thanks for stopping. House cleaning's never fun. Unless you're watching someone else do it. Right, Pedro? I also have my 4 dogs with me, so that's something. Anyways, let's get this housework done. Scorcher out there today, let me tell you. Anyways, I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch, just leftovers. I made steak, so I'm eating the steak. Made a steak and potatoes the first night. I guess this is night 3 because I had a steak sandwich for lunch yesterday, and then last night I ate steak and corn. So today I'm gonna have a steak and chicken for lunch, and then probably go for a hike because Biff Gank. Otherwise, I'll be getting even bigger. As always, thanks for stopping by, guys. And tomorrow, I will promise I'll do an RV tour for everyone. Both of my viewers. Oh, look. And my tooth's still not fixed. Yeah, so I look like I got a tooth. I like that look. That'll be my whatchamacallit for the video. The poster thing. Alright, guys. Check me out. You might see me in your town, you might not, so yeah, that's it. What are you still doing here? Get the funk out of here. There's my tooth again. Man, I wish I did this RV stuff years ago. For lunch today, I'm just having a little leftover steak and chicken. Here were my potatoes, but that. Yeah, watch a little Step Brothers while I eat. Back to lunch, everyone.